Hazrat Abul Abbas, a poet, reports that he heard from Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin al-As radiyallahu anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam knew that I observe fast during the day and stand up for prayer during night. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent for me, or I went to him. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I have got this news that you observe fast and do not leave them, and perform prayer and do not go to sleep. Observe fast and leave them. Stand up for prayer, but also sleep. For you owe your eye aright. You owe your soul and your family aright. I submitted, I am able to do more. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you should observe David's fastings. I submitted, how are they? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he alayhi salam would keep fast one day and give it up the other day, and would not flee while combating an enemy. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is the guarantor for me of it? Atta says, I do not know how the lifelong fasting was mentioned. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said twice, whosoever observes fast forever is just like the one who has not observed fasts at all. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1977.